How to fix Instagram filters not showing up. So if your Instagram filters are not working, then first of all you need to check your internet connection. So if you're not being able to connect to a Wi-Fi or data, like if you don't have a Wi-Fi connection or a stable data connection, then you might be finding that kind of problem. So the other way is to make sure that your app is up to date. So if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problem. So to check that, first open up your Play Store and then go to the search bar and then search for Instagram. And then after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Instagram. And even after updating, if you don't fix that problem, then you can go back and open up your settings. And after opening your settings here, if you scroll down, you will find apps and notifications. You can simply tap on apps and notifications, and then you can go for see all apps. And if you scroll down, you will find Instagram, and go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, you might fix that problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last way is to uninstall the application and then again reinstall it from your app store or your Play Store. You can log into your account and then you will have the filters. Or you can also restart your device, and after restarting you might fix that problem. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.